Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10 in OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to find your LAN speed on Windows 10 or your network connection speed in Windows 10. So first you just have to go to your search bar and search for control panel. Control. So you can see it's the control panel is option is here. So you just click on control panel. After opening the control panel, if your category is in large icons, you just have to choose the category option. So, sorry, in the category option, you just have to click on the network and internet option. Click on network and internet option. Then you have to go to the network and sharing center. After opening the network and sharing center, you can see there's a access type is internet and connection. My connection is Wi-Fi, so in your case it can be Wi-Fi or Ethernet or any hyperlink that shows here. So you have to choose the connection option here. For me it's Wi-Fi here, so just click on it. After click on the Wi-Fi options, you can see speed here. It can be Mbps or gigabyte per second or megabyte per second. Mine here is 150 megabyte per second. So that's how you know the LAN speed of in Windows 10. And also you can see the how many packet received sent and received from your network, and also duration of your network, how how many minutes or hour you have been using your network. So this is a very helpful tutorial for you guys. I hope you find this video helpful. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.